We're going to open up the box, see what's in it. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another episode of Frank and Carrie's Homestead model building. We're going to open up the box on this iced tea, 1/24 scale. First, as some of you know, my mother went to Texas for the winter. She can't really take care of herself, so she went down to my sister's. She had a bad fall here. Probably been about 3 weeks now. Anyway, she got a bruise on her leg which turned into a hematoma. She really went downhill. She was in the hospital. We just about lost her. But I got good news today. She's doing really well. They'll probably do a skin graft on her tomorrow, on her leg, and then she'll probably go into a wound care facility for rehab, and then we'll go from there. If you have an older parent or whatever, my mother's almost 90 years old, but if they fall and they get a bruise, keep an eye on it. Hematomas ain't nothing to play around with. They can become very, very bad, especially if they're on blood thinners. Keep that in mind, and now let's go see what's in this box. And then we get it unwrapped and everything and get it out, and I'll be right back. Alright, well, through the magic of video, back here at you. First of all, got the instruction sheet. It's a typical instruction sheet. Not too bad. It's going to be kind of a simple model. It is modeled in yellow. There's the body. There's the pan. You got your engine, exhaust, seats, heads, belt for the motor, hood scoop, and your inner wheels. And you have your chrome parts, your rims, your rear axle, valve covers, exhaust, side fenders, intake manifold, carburetors, stuff like that. But all parts look pretty clean. Tires, you got 2 front tires, 2 rear drag slicks, a little deal of decals, and that's it about for this kit. So there it is, that's what's in this box. But I'm not going to paint it that way. It's not going to be yellow. I'm actually going to do it in a pearl white with a black interior, and I got a special thing that's going to go here instead of where it says iced tea. I'm actually making my own decal for that. So anyway, I just figured I'd jump on here. At least we can get started on this one. Like I said, it's not going to be, won't take too long to build. Pretty simple. And that next couple days I'm going to be busy. The wife doesn't have, Miss Carrie doesn't have to work, and we got plans of spending some time with family for the new year. Monday, another day that I'm not sure what's going to go on Monday. If nothing's going on Monday, I'm going to get started on this. New Year's Day, Miss Carrie's off, and from what I understand, she's got plans with our grandkids. I'm not sure doing what yet, so go from there. Well, that's going to be this video. Kind of boring, but at least you know what's in the box. And I want to just say, if I don't get back on here before New Year's, Happy New Year's 2019 coming around the corner. Hope it's better than this year. Alright, don't forget, smile today, smile tomorrow, and you're going to smile all week, guaranteed. Here's them just videos for you. While you're here, why don't you check out some of these other videos? It's going to be right up here, right in this area over here somewhere. Just watch it for it in this area over here. Okay? Make sure you watch them. You'll like them. Bye.